This is a tutorial for determining elevations on a topographic map. First off, recognize the contour interval either by reading it off the key or using the index contours and then counting the contour lines in between to get your contour interval. This can be done by trial and error or by recognizing that there's always 5 contour lines going from one index contour to another. Here's 4100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to 4200. A difference of 100 feet divided by 5 is 20 feet. Check that. 4120, 4140, 4160, 4180, 4200. All right, let's get the elevation for point C along this unnamed stream tributary. I'm using the index contour again, 4200, and I'll count down from there. You're always going downhill to get to water. 4180, 4160, 4140. I'm going to follow that line along, and I see it wraps around and ends up above the dot for point C. So the line below it would then be 4120. So this lies in between 4120 and 4140. Any point that is between two contour lines, we assume it's half the contour interval in difference. So if this is 4120, 4140, we'll assume that's 4130. That might not be exact, but that's the assumption that we're going to make. Let's move over to point D. Again, using index contours to guide us. We've got 3900. This wraps around over to here. I'm going to count down. 3880, 3860. I don't cross another contour line before I get to this one. So once again, I'm going to assume half a contour interval difference. So if this was 3880, 3860, half of 20 is 10. So this would be 3850. All right, I hope that helped.